Hello, so I found this Desert Rose palette by Jason Wu at JCPenney's, so I'm going to use it today. This is the first Jason Wu product I've ever bought. Okay, so I'm taking this shade right here and I am going above my crease and blending it out. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm going right into my natural crease with that. And this shade next. I'm just putting that right here. Gonna take this shade and I'm just gonna pat that on a little. Hubby chose this shade. Ooh, that's really pretty. This shade under your lash line. I'm going to do like a brown little wing and tight line in brown as well. Mascara and half lash. And I added this Jason Wu lip product in shade Nudist. I like this so far. Let's do my hair and change my shirt. Here is the final look. I added a little bit of red lip liner in the middle of my lip just to make it pop a little bit more. But I really like it. So if you can get your hands on these, this is a bundle. I pick it up real quick. I have not felt this beautiful in a really long time. I'm so excited to try more Jason Wu products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.